Government continues to pursue fiscal prudence and a credible macroeconomic program as it works to keep Jamaica on a growth path. The Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, is supporting this strategic priority. By teaming up with the UDC, Port Authority and NEPA, TEF plans to improve the tourism product while being financially responsible. The TEF is an agency of the Ministry of Tourism and Entertainment. With funding received through a tax placed on inbound travel fees of non-Jamaican visitors, the fund spends approximately $2 billion annually on projects to improve the tourism product. The sum could be much more for the 2014-2015 financial year. But the TEF's creative plan to partner with other government agencies is allowing it to do more and bigger projects for the same amount of money.
We have started to use government's capacity so that we can have a type of join-up government and less wastage in terms of government and how we do business.
A major project being undertaken by the TEF this fiscal year is Phase 1B of the redevelopment of the Ocho cruise ship pier. To complete this project on time and within budget, the fund is partnering with the Urban Development Corporation, the UDC. The UDC is the design consultant on the project, which will be a scenic vista for incoming guests when it's completed. The corporation is providing its on-staff architects and engineers, saving the TEF from having to pay the more expensive commercial rates charged by private contractors.
We have gone significantly to UDC for a couple of major projects. They have done our design work, Port Royal, Ocho Rios. They are doing some work on Falmouth.
Another government entity, the Port Authority of Jamaica, is both serving as project manager and helping to finance the Ocho Rios cruise ship pier development, saving the fund from having to put the project on hold due to expensive private project management costs. In carrying out its environmental sustainability programs for this period, the TEF is working with the National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA instead of bringing on board additional employees or consultants.
We've always worked with NEPA, but in small ways. Finally, we have just gotten together and said, let us look at what we can do together to make things better in terms of the environment. In this year, we have come up with a brilliant idea of a partnership with NEPA on several issues: air quality, carrying capacity, protection of some wildlife species, and trying to assist them to set up sanctuaries.
The board of some 11 members who manage the Tourism Enhancement Fund is mindful of the country's financial constraints and the government's economic reform program. Also aware of the fact that the tourism product must be enhanced during this financial year, the fund found a way to get the job done by partnering with 3 government entities that offer products and services that the fund mainly needs to transform the sector.